Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm super excited to see you. This message is going to be for the wonderful and beautiful Taurus. Taurus, I hope you are doing well, and I do hope you're staying safe, okay? So Taurus, baby, you, my baby, have a wish fulfillment coming in, okay? Yes, indeedy, Taurus. You have been very diligent. You've been very consistent. You've been very committed. You've been very grounded, okay? You have a wish fulfillment coming in, all right? You have been doing all that you can do for yourself and for others here, Taurus, okay? So let's see what comes out in the animal spirit deck, Taurus. That was your meditative message. You have a wish fulfillment coming in. Messages for Taurus, the bull. Taurus, the bull. Spirit is very pleased with you. I've got two, actually. The scorpion and the nightingale. I'm going to put these back. I just want one. But those animal spirits may be significant to you, Taurus. Okay? Taurus, be careful. Okay, be careful. You know, abundance attracts negativity. Okay, so be careful. The rabbit. Aries got this 2 readings in a row. You may have a significant Aries placement here, but this is earth energy, okay? Let's see, Taurus. This rabbit loves to remind his friends that someday the eagle will swoop down and eat him. He talks and talks and talks about it, so loudly, in fact, that one day the eagle hears and thanks him for the great idea. Rabbit energy is alive when we are scared and become our own worst enemy. We spin up a dust cloud of fear and then complain to others that we are lost. Notice your thoughts and words, oh rabbit, they shape your destiny, okay? So Taurus, you may be feeling very sensitive at this time, okay? That's what I'm getting from this, all right? You may feel a bit burned out as well from all your hard work, okay? You may be spreading yourself a bit too thin, Taurus. I also feel like here, Taurus, something means a lot to you or someone. I feel like, Taurus, it's like you want to get your point across, or I don't know, you feel like you have to I don't know, like you have to be the role model. Like you have to be the one who shows up, because if you don't show up, like something won't get done, or I don't know. So you may be some type of leader here, Taurus, or you're leading someone or a group of persons here. But I feel like whatever this is, this could even just be a project here, Taurus. You're very committed to this project, all right? With the 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, the Sun with the 5 of Wands. Like I said, Taurus, you have a wish fulfillment come in. You're very abundant, so be careful, okay? Not paranoid here with this rabbit energy, but just, you know, be wise, be attentive, okay? If you're burnt out here, Taurus, you may be moving too fast. You may, you know how that works. When you just rushing, okay? I'm also getting something about rushing, okay? Slow down a bit, Taurus. Well, I mean, Taurus knows how to do that, baby, okay? Excuse me, 10 of Cups. But there may be someone on the outside of you who's pushing you to move faster than you want to or you would like to here, okay? Set boundaries here, Taurus. You've got the 10 of Cups. I told you, there's a wish fulfillment coming in, Okay, there's happiness, there's joy, there's peace, there's harmony, there's family. Okay, there's celebration. This could be a community of people. But there is a lot of love here. Nine of Pentacles with the King of Wands and the Chariot. Like I said, you might be just doing a lot here, Taurus. Or you have a lot of things that you want to achieve, but you have achieved much. Do you see all these cups up there here, Taurus? You are successful, all right? Be grateful for what you have, okay? The Nine of Pentacles is very successful. Enjoy it. Enjoy this moment. Stay present, Taurus, okay? Stay present. Be present. But I feel like you are. I feel like that's why I said you're always the one to show up. If nobody else will, you will. Okay? There's a lot of happiness. Like, people are very pleased with you here, Taurus. Like, something is doing very well. People are congratulating you. You are successful. You are in the spotlight. You're on the stage. Okay? You may be having some type of party. I just see a celebration here. Or something when it comes to your community here, Taurus. Or your friends, your family. I just see you surrounded by a lot of love, Taurus. Excuse me. A lot of love. A lot of love and a lot of positivity. Eight of Wands with the Ten of Pentacles, okay? Somebody's also happy and thankful that you've shown up, that you do show up, that you always show up, that you're there for them. Like, somebody is speaking life into you here, Taurus, because you have done that for them in some way. You are a role model here. Do you see how these kids are looking to the sun? You are a role model. People look up to you here, Taurus. The Chariot with the Empress. Like I said, people are congratulating you for your hard work, for your dedication here. Queen of Pentacles. All right. You're very beautiful here, Taurus. Masculine or feminine, okay? You're attracting a lot of abundance at this time, okay? The law of the law of attraction is activated in your energy here. You are blessed, Taurus, and I'm hearing highly favored. Okay, so someone may say, like, you're my favorite aunt, cousin, dad, brother, or not favorite dad, but you get what I'm saying, uncle, whatever. You're my favorite. Like I said, people just are happy when you come around. They feel nurtured. They feel cared for. They feel loved. Okay, Taurus? I keep saying the Queen of Pentacles. You got a lot of success around you here, Taurus. A whole lot, baby. You got a blessing coming your way. You got a wish fulfillment happening. Something is positive here. Something is good in nature is what I'm hearing. It's going to be the title of your reading. Good in nature. Okay, you have a good nature. You've got a good heart. Look at her. Again, masculine or feminine, you have a good heart. And you do things from your heart. That's what makes you very successful here. You've got the Lovers and the Queen of Pentacles back at the bottom of the deck. You speak positivity into people's lives here, Taurus. You're very grounded here. I'm also getting someone who's very lively, very positive attitude here as well. I'm getting something about being the total package here, the High Priestess. This is what's true. This is what you know. You are functioning and operating in your purpose here, Taurus. Baby, the higher work. I love to say it. Taurus, you always get me excited, baby. You do. You get me excited, love. You deserve a hand clap, all right? 'Cause 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 Queen of Cups and the Judgment. Listen, somebody appreciates you. I keep saying that. Somebody really appreciates all that you do, all that you're doing, all that you have done, all that you're willing to do. So much love in the room. That's the truth, Taurus. Listen to the message. Listen to the message. Like something is put out there. Ace of Wands. There is a breakthrough. Maybe you're realizing this, or something is coming to fruition here. It's like your manifestations here, Taurus, are coming into reality here. That's what this is. You have several major arcanas. The Sun, the World. Did I call it the Empress? But she looks like the Empress. The Sun, the World, the Chariot, and the High Priestess. And then you have a minor arcana. You got the Ace of Swords. And the Ace of Wands at the bottom of the deck. There's something about your inner knowing here. My nose is itching. Your intuition is heightened at this time, Taurus. Five of Cups. Somebody's disappointed or sad. This could be someone that you're providing comfort to, that you're providing some level of support. Six of Pentacles, Six of Wands with the Eight of Pentacles. That's a lot of harmony and balance. You've got 66 here. Like I said, you're being seen in the public eye. Like someone is seeing you successful and driven and overcoming your challenges. You're being given and generous, and you're supporting. Like, I don't know how else to say this, baby. Listen, my earth signs, I'm just so excited for y'all because y'all doing the dang thing, okay? I told you, people are seeing you, earth signs. Let's see. Ooh. Six, Queen of Wands. There's the Empress. And the Queen and the King of Pentacles. So I get this here, Taurus, that it takes a team, okay? Everything that you do, you acknowledge and realize that you can't do it alone, that it takes others to do it with you, okay? But I do see you shape-shifting as well here, Taurus. I do see you shape-shifting here as well. You're very confident, or you should be, or people are very confident in you. You're having a glow up or some type of an advancement here. It's like the universe is shining on you, baby. You've stepped into your purpose here as well. Taurus, I don't need to say nothing else, baby. I really don't. Your actions are showing here. You have birthed a new beginning, baby. Again, all these major arcanas, the Sun, the World, the Chariot, the High Priestess, the Empress. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your number, ain't it, baby? Congratulations, Taurus. You the me, baby. You the shit to me, baby. Like I said, you can have a significant water placement or significant fire placement here. Leo, specifically. Sagittarius, even. Maybe Aries with the Queen of Wands. Put yourself where you fit, Taurus. Letting go. Allow the wisdom to remain, but the sting I shall never feel again. So yeah, like I said here, Taurus, I feel like there's something that you are transitioning into or out of. This Five of Cups speaks of release, renewal is coming in or has arrived for you. It's like you're being replenished here, Taurus. Anything and everything that you need, the universe is providing it for you. At the bottom of the deck, you have friendship. Bring to me friendship, true, sharing, laughter, understanding to, yeah, someone feels very connected to you here, Taurus. Very much so, and they're appreciative of that. Taurus, this is your message. I hope all is well, and of course, peace.